Click on the link below to get price. The Elinchrom ELC 500 Dual Kit is a game-changer for both budding photographers and seasoned professionals, delivering outstanding performance in a compact, user-friendly package. This kit includes two powerful ELC 500 monolights, which feature a robust output of 500 ws each, making it ideal for various shooting scenarios, from portraiture to product photography. One of the standout aspects of the ELC 500 is its impressive recycling time of just 0.6 seconds at full power. This rapid response allows photographers to capture fleeting moments without missing a beat. The light also offers a broad power range from 7 to 500 ws, giving you the flexibility to adapt to different lighting conditions effortlessly. Whether you're working in a dimly lit studio or outdoors with bright sunlight, the ELC 500 provides consistent and reliable performance. Another significant feature is the built-in EL Skyport technology, which allows for wireless triggering and seamless integration with Elinchrom's vast range of accessories. This makes it incredibly convenient to adjust your lighting setup without being tethered to your camera. The intuitive display and simple controls enable quick adjustments, ensuring you can focus on creativity rather than technicalities. The build quality of the ELC 500 is commendable, featuring a durable housing that withstands the rigors of studio life. The kit also includes a variety of accessories, such as reflectors and softboxes, enhancing versatility and creative options. The lights have a consistent color temperature, ensuring that your images maintain accurate color reproduction, which is vital for professional work. In conclusion, the Elinchrom ELC 500 Dual Kit is an excellent investment for anyone serious about photography. Its combination of power, speed, and user-friendly features makes it a top choice in the market. Whether you're shooting in a controlled studio environment or out on location, this kit will exceed your expectations, making it a reliable partner in your creative journey.